I know that anytime you're investing in your business at a higher level, it can be difficult for you to risk that much resources, or you feel like, oh my gosh, this is something new. I'm stretching beyond my mental capacity right now because I've never done this before. But inside of magnetic emails, most of our clients, they sign retainers for 6 to 12 months on average, because once they receive those emails, they're like, okay, I can't go back to how I used to be as a CEO. I can't go back to the previous marketing operations where I was confused, I was stressed. I always had to worry about, okay, what am I writing today? What's my email marketing strategy look like today, versus coming into a place as an executive that is a full-time entrepreneur for multiple years, and you probably have a team as well. You're probably doing speaking engagements. You can show up in a different way. You can show up as a more elevated CEO and say, wow, now that I have this person that's getting a large return on investment for my marketing strategy, now what do I need to be doing as a CEO? That frees up my clients to do things and to create their other social media strategy, to look at pay-per-click ads, to look at all of these different revenue drivers in the business so they can generate more sales as they're going into the next level. This is the difference between businesses that make it in 2023 and 2024 and those that get left behind.